So other people, what about the other people's? Any questions? So based on this, we can use mainly we can use this option, such a wrap text option, and pasting method is the most wanted thing here, and product sheet also one of the most important. So shall we move to the next part? It's a number. Okay. So come to the number. I already mentioned you that when I type the number, it's come to the right side. When I type a text, it's come to the left side. When I mix both, it's come to the left side. So based on this, I need to justify some time. For example, I will type something 12.00. Oh, it's not a take a zero. It's missing 2.00, right? I cannot access the decimal point. If I use some currencies, I need a RS200.00. It's a, I will take somewhere here. Okay. When I type something like, it's come to the left side, so I can't access or I can't use any formula to this option. But anyhow, I can add or I can multiply, I can use any function or any formula to the currency. So in this case, I need to format my values. For example, I will have some number. Okay, I need to type 200 rupees. So then I will press this option. It's under the number section. So come to the number section, you can view common options here. Don't use this option. Sometimes it's not suitable for us. So it's, for example, you can use a number. It's come to the two decimal. Number is two decimal, is no need to the that point. So just come to the more number format. Just come to the more number format. Here you can set your format. Here it's providing decimal place. So based on this decimal place, is default it take a 2. When you no need the numbers, you can set as a 0. Then press, it's no need the, it's no have any decimal value. If you need any one decimal value, you can set as a one decimal. You can preview here also. So that's a one of the way to provide a values such a way. Wait. Okay, next one, next option called currency. Yes, currency. So I will type 200, not a 200, I will type 500 here. So 500, I need a rupees, or I need a decimal point, everything for this, and I want to access this value also. So I will come to here, more option and format, and back to the currency. Here it's going to show the something called Simport. It's default using as a dollar. I need a rupees, so I will search rupees here. I think Sri Lanka. Let's have Sri Lanka. There are some rupees value also. RS. RS. Here, Sri Lanka Tamil. Here, we can find the RS Tamil Sri Lanka. When I press this option, it's take a RS. It's defaultly take a RS.00, and also this is in the right side, right? So I can access or I can use any formula to this one. If I type something like this, it's take a left side, so I cannot use any formula. Just I will type equal this value plus 1. It shows something like this. Oh, I will use this number plus 1. Sorry, plus 1, and press enter. It's showing an error. It's a value, null value. So we can't access any values if you view any values in right side, left side. Okay. So you can set your currency value such a way. So you can come to the more number format, and back to the currency. You can find the symbol. You can select your rupees or dollar or any things, and you can set the decimal place. So decimal place means it's you need a 3 or 1, or sometimes we need a 1 decimal point. Based on that, you can set it down and you can calculate everything after use this one. So next option is, just come to the accounting. Accounting also same as a currency way. So set as a decimal and symbol. Next is the date. So there are dates such a way we have such a more format for the date. Sometimes we type such a like this way or this way or this way. So you can choose your own way, and based on your language you can choose anything here. For example, do you want a Singapore style? You can select that one and choose here. I will type 2000 2021, right? Yes, 2021 0201. I will press enter. It's automatically change the format here. So this format means I will choose here. That's my format. If I write this, take this format, it's changed such a this way. So you can set the date also here. Next one is time also we can set as such a this way, so you can am pm setting, that's anyway. Next one is a percentage also we need some decimal, so I will set that 2 decimal. I will press ok and I will type 10. Its default will take a percentage symbol. I will press enter. It's take a decimal value. So it's every time I choose only one cell, and every formatting are doing only one cell. If I need some column or rows, for example, here I type something bill. So in this column need to align every values are uh, set as a currency format. So I can't select each cell and I can't fix the format. So I will select this column and I back to this option, more options. So bill means I need to set as a currency format. I will select the currency option, decimal option, back to the, so I will defaultly take a dollar to decimal. I will say okay. Then I will type 10. Its default take as this way, 20, 30. So this is another way to fix the column wise format. Okay, you can set here also what's the decimal values. You can increase or you can decrease every decimal value through here also. So next option is scientific format. We are not a not a usual thing. Percentage, okay. Text means as usual. Text and general both are the same thing, but into the, yes, text and general both are the same. Custom means you can define your format. For example, phone number have a some values such as 0, some numbers or plus 91 or 94 such a way. So you can custom your type also. So this is regarding this number. So guys, do you have any question based on this? Same thing here. If you do the draw column wise, you can same thing happen in draw also. You can select the draw, or you can particularly you want to the such a these columns only. You can select this part and you can set uh, what you want. For I will set the time here. So such a this way. I will type. So this way also you can type it here. So based on this, do you have any questions? If I, yeah. Yeah, you can come to this option and you need to find out the value here. I will here every currency are here. Yes, it's automatically dollars. You need to set it as a rupees. Rupees Sri Lanka here. You need to select this. Then it's come to the IRS. We can't set it as a default. Yes, we can't set it as a default. Mm, no, we can't set it as a default. So if you want, you need to customize here. You need to define your values. So it's little bit difficult. You every time you need to set it here. So, any more questions? So just take some time and please go through this home this only this three section, and if you have any question just ask me. I give you 5 minutes. Is it need or shall we continue? Are you sleeping, guys? Hello. Okay, sorry. If you have any question you can try it out and ask me. I will give the help.